Hi everyone. In today's class, we are going to discuss about the solution of differential equations by using Laplace transform. How to solve the differential equation with the help of Laplace transform. For that, we need some formulas. Before going to the problem, I explain the formula for this method. Our first formula is L of y double dash. L of y double dash. Laplace transform of y double dash. Second derivative is equal to s square L of y. L stands for Laplace transform. Y is the function y of t minus s into y of 0. Y of 0 is our initial condition, boundary condition. This is given in the problem itself. So y of 0 and y dash of 0 both are initial conditions. These conditions are provided in the problem itself. Then L of y dash is equal to S L of y minus y of 0. Suppose in our problem the third derivative exists means L of y triple dash is equal to S cube L of y minus S square y dash of 0 and so on. We can generalize the step up to the third derivative and fourth derivative. Now we are going to see the only second degree ordinary differential equation, so that I take the two formulas for our problem. L of y double dash and L of y dash. Let us go to the problem. Our first problem is using Laplace transform, solve y double dash minus 3y dash plus 2y equal to e power minus t. So this is second degree ordinary differential equation. Second degree ordinary differential equation. So for that we need L of y double dash and L of y dash formula. So that I explained the formula in the beginning. Now proceed the solution. Let us take the given function y double dash minus 3y dash plus 2y equal to e power minus t. This is our given function. The initial conditions are y of 0 equal to 1 and y dash of 0 equal to 0. These are our initial conditions provided in the problem itself. Initial conditions provided in the problem. Now, let us take the given function. Given ordinary differential equation y double dash minus 3y dash plus 2y equal to e power minus t. What we do, with the help of Laplace transform, we are going to solve the ordinary differential equation. So, taking Laplace transform on both sides, we will get L of, for this ordinary differential equation, apply Laplace transform. So, what about the first term? L of y double dash minus 3 is a constant. So, take outside 3 outside of the Laplace transform, L of y dash, and then here also 2 is a constant. So, I take it outside. 2 into L of y equal to, for right hand side, L of e power minus t. L of e power minus t. Now, apply the Laplace formula. What about L of y double dash? Already I explained L of y double dash. What is L of y double dash? S square L of y, S square L of y minus S into y of 0 minus y dash of 0. This is L of y double dash. This is L of y double dash. But yes, y of 0 is, what is y of 0? Y of 0 is 1 and y dash of 0 is 0. So, substitute the given condition s square L of y of 0 is 1, so s into 1 minus y dash of 0 is 0, so 0. This equal to s square into L of y minus s. This is L of y double dash. This is our L of y double dash. Now, find L of y dash. This is our L of y double dash. Then find L of y dash. What is L of y dash? L of y dash equal to the same procedure. L of y dash is equal to, what is our formula? S into L of y minus y of 0. Here we are having only one boundary condition. So S into L of y you keep as it is, S into L of y minus, what is our y of 0 value? Y of 0 is given as 1. So in minus 1. This equal to S into L of y. S into L of y. This is L of, this is L of y double dash. Y dash. L of y dash. So now this is our L of y dash. Now apply these two formula. Apply these two formula in the given condition, we will get what about the given problem? So L of y double dash s square L of y minus s. First function, first condition s square L of y minus s, and then see the problem here. So here L of y dash, L of y double dash over, then minus 3 is a constant. Minus 3 is a constant. Here minus 3. So here plus 2 is a constant. Then in our given problem, we can proceed like this. Minus 3. What is our formula here? S into L of y. S into L of y. S into L of y plus 2 is a constant. So 2 is treated as a constant, 2 into L of y equal to, what is L of e power minus t? What is L of e power minus t? Let us write the formula here. What is L of e power minus t? L of e power minus t is equal to 1 by s plus 1. 1 by s plus 1. This is our formula for uh, Laplace transform of e power minus t. So apply this formula for the right hand side. L of e power minus t equal to 1 by s plus 1. So what about the right hand side here? Our right hand side is 1 by s plus 1. So what we'll do here, in the first step, apply L of y double dash formula. In the second step, L of y dash formula. And third stage, 2 into L of y is treated as it is L of y. Now simplifying this one, we can get s square L of y minus s minus 3s into L of y plus 2 into L of y equal to 1 divided by s plus 1, equal to 1 divided by s plus 1. Then now taking L of y as a common term. So L of y is a common term, L of y into, after taking L of y, what will be the remaining? S square. So s square, then here L of y is taken as a common term, minus 3s. Here L of y is taken as a common term, remaining is 2. Remaining is 2. Then what about the right hand side here? 1 by s plus 1. 1 by s plus 1. Then what about the remaining term? Minus 3s. Minus 3s here. Minus 3s is called, L of y is common. So the coefficient is s square. Here minus 3s plus 2 equal to 1 by s plus 1. This minus s comes to the right hand side, means it will be plus s. It will be plus s.